Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna. Today, as you can tell, I am trying to recreate Kylie Jenner's pink makeup look. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and click the like button if you enjoyed this video. And also leave a comment down below on what you want to see next. This is what I did, so if you want to see how I got to this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color dark brown. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm just gonna fluff them up. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. This is broken. Oh my god, I literally just bought this pencil like an hour ago and it's broken. I've had the worst luck this morning, you guys. Like, honestly, it's the worst. Okay, so next, I actually just picked this up. I went to Ulta today and I got a few things. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the highlighting duo pencil. So this one comes with like a highlight. So you have like both ends. And it has more of like the shiny part, like shimmery, and then it has like the basic matte color. I don't even know what these look like. Because of COVID, we can't test them. So I kind of just took the girl's word. Okay, so one is shimmery, and then one is just like a matte pink. So because this look is more pink, I'm gonna go with the matte pink side. It's gonna outline underneath my eyebrow. Ooh, this is so creamy. I love it. It literally brightens underneath your eye. So I'm going to take this angled brush and I'm just going to kind of blend it out. So I'm just kind of blending this out so that we have like a perfect line underneath the eyebrow. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and do it on this side and then I'll be right back. I literally just broke this. This literally just fell and now this is broken. I cannot tell you guys how much bad luck I've had today. Just wait till I tell you. You know when it's just like not your day? Well, today was not my morning and probably not my day either. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever. This is the mattifying primer. And I'm just gonna prime everywhere where I feel like I kind of get oily. I do have dry skin, but I do feel like my eyelids get super oily. I feel like that's really common. So I like to put it where my eyelids are. And then I kind of put it in between my eyebrows because I feel like I kind of get like oily there. So now I'm going to go in with the Instant Age Rewind Eraser by Maybelline. This is in the color Neutralizer. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my eyelids. I'm going to go ahead and spray this brush with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. Just to spray a little bit. And I'm just going to dab it in. I'm going to blend this in. I got my watered down Starbucks. Love that for me. I'm going to go in with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is the translucent extra coverage. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my eyelids to put a base over it. This is one of the new products that I got. This is by Lunar Beauty. It's called the Moon Prism Blush. So pretty and pink. So this is actually a blush palette. So it has a bunch of different pinks. So I'm going to use this for blush, but I'm also going to use this for my eyes because I want like a pink look. I'm going to go in with the color Twilight, which is right here. This is like a pinky peach color, and I'm just gonna put it right here above my crease. Going back to me having like the worst day ever. One, my camera's about to die, so that sucks. And my plan was to just film a few videos today. I got one done, and this is the second one I'm working on. I'm going as planned because I got up and my plan was to just start filming, and I couldn't because my camera wasn't working. I actually usually film on my phone because I've had issues with my actual camera and I can't and I can't get the videos onto my laptop. And then iMovie doesn't work because my storage is full everywhere. My storage is full on my phone, my camera, and my laptop. So that's fun. Can't figure out, I've tried deleting like so many things and nothing works. So I went to film this morning after I got out of the shower, and it was telling me my storage was full, and I didn't have time to just sit there and start deleting and then getting the same message. I went to Best Buy, and then I had to go everywhere, and I just had to figure out what the issue was, and then I finally got it up, and things were just breaking on me. Like, I had things for my camera, and everything was just going bad. And now things are breaking here with my makeup. And then I dropped my phone to top it off, and it cracked, and I got glass in my finger. It was just a horrible day. So next I'm gonna go ahead and grab Stargaze, which is the very bottom right here. Putting this in my crease area, and then I'm gonna take the Kylie Jenner Burgundy palette, and I'm gonna go in with the middle pink color. It is really pinky, so you have to be careful with that. I'm gonna try to mix it with the Stargaze with this palette, so it's not too harsh. And again, I'm just going in my crease area. Okay guys, so my camera died, of course, so hopefully it doesn't happen again. I charged it for like 2 hours, but I'm gonna go back with this palette. I'm gonna use the color Pink Moon, which is right here. I'm just gonna touch up here to make it more pinky. And then I'm just gonna go and add the middle color again, just to kind of add that color in more, because I feel like it doesn't really have that color. I'm just putting that in the crease area. Now we're pinked out. I feel like she has like the gold area right here, so it's like pink up here, and then she has gold on the eye. So I'm gonna go back in with her palette, and I'm gonna go with this color, which my thing is faded off, so I don't even know the name, but it's this color right here. It's like a gold shimmery color. And I'm just gonna take this brush, and I'm just gonna put it right there on the inside of the eyelid. And I can't really tell what she has on the outside of the eyelid. I can't really tell if she has this all over, so I'm gonna put it all over the eyelid. But I'm also gonna blend out the pinkish part area onto the outside. Or I might just leave it, just depends what it looks like. So now we're pink and gold. I'm just gonna kind of go back in and blend the colors together. So I'm gonna go back in with her palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of clean up I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm just gonna kind of clean up the brow area. Now I'm gonna move on to face. Now I'm gonna go into the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the color Barcelona. This is the foundation. I didn't put little dots all over my face because that's just what I do. Alright, so I'm going to go back with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I'm just going to take this brush and spray it. I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over, blend it all in. So now that we just finished our foundation, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Toast. I'm going to contour the outside spots in my face. So that would include like my forehead area, cheeks. And you want to make sure you're contouring above, kind of like on your cheekbone. You don't want to do it down here because then it brings it down. So you want to be able to have like that lift to it. You want it to be like, you know, like a fake Botox. And then I'm also going to do my chin area. And then I like to do my nose. So I'm just going to take this brush. And then again, we're going to go in with our Urban Decay spray. And just spray. Okay, so we're going to go in. This is a new product that I got. It's by Hourglass. And it's in the color Biscay. It's the Hourglass Vanish Stick. This is what it looks like. Never used it before, but I'm excited because I heard good things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the inside parts of my face. So pretty much everywhere where we didn't contour, that's gonna be highlighted. Ooh, she is very creamy. So it's really nice so far, like the feeling of it, but I don't know if I like the shape because it comes out weird. I feel like I can't really move it where I want it to go because of the shape of it. I'm probably just not used to it. So now I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend everything in. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the contour powder. And I'm gonna use the Benefit Hoola powder. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna add some product. And I'm gonna go over all the areas that we contoured. Now we're gonna go in with the Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage that I used on my eyelids earlier. I'm gonna go in with this little brush. Now we're gonna go in the places that we did our highlight on, so like the inner face, and we're just gonna set that in place. So I'm gonna take this beauty blender. I know it's dirty. Let's just ignore that. Go ahead and put this right here to define the jawline. We definitely want that snatch because Kylie definitely has that. Okay, so we're just gonna let this bake for a little bit and then we'll be right back. Okay, so while we're baking, I'm gonna go ahead and start curling my lashes because that's what we're gonna be doing next. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just brush off the powder that we were baking with. So now we're gonna go in with our lashes and we're gonna go in with the Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. This is by L'Oreal. This is honestly my all-time favorite mascara. Like, I have not changed this in years. I love this because it's so thin and you can just get the lashes like perfectly. So now we're gonna go in with the Lily lashes, and these are in the style Paris, I believe. And I've already worn these, so I really hope they're not messed up because I think I bent them by accident. But we're gonna go with these. And I suck at applying lashes, so I'm gonna do this off camera. So this is what the lashes look like. Again, these are in the style Paris by Lily Lashes. These are so pretty, I love them. Okay, so now we're gonna go back with this palette and we're gonna grab the color Stargaze again, and we're gonna get this little brush and we're gonna put it underneath our bottom lash. And then I'm gonna take the color Soleil. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's this one right here. It's more of like a pink shimmer. And I'm gonna put that right on the, like the tear, I don't know if this is called teardrop. I don't know if I'm just making that up, but just putting it right there, kind of brighten up that area. It makes a pretty big difference. So now I'm gonna go with mascara again. I'm gonna put it on the bottom lashes. We're gonna go in with blush. We're gonna go in with Pink Moon, which is right here. And we're gonna go ahead and blush it up. So this is like a really light pink color, and we're gonna use this as like the undertone because we're gonna add more of a darker pink on top. But she definitely has like a lighter pink underneath it, and then she has more of a pink, darker pink on top. And make sure you're putting the blush above, so you want it to blend in on the top with our contour. We're gonna go with the Stargaze color. We're gonna add that in as well. And this is gonna be like our top coat, making it very, very pink. And then to finish this off, we're gonna go ahead and spray our Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray all over us. And now we're gonna go ahead and get the Champagne Pop by Becca. We're gonna put this on our cheeks to highlight our cheeks and our nose, our Cupid's bow, and then our chin. I wanna go in right here, kind of by our eyebrows, and we also wanna go above. This is the look so far. And we're gonna go ahead and do our lips. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I'm gonna try to curl it like hers. I don't have the specific wand that she probably used, so, or anything kind of close to it. So I'm just gonna curl it the best I can, and then I'm gonna come back and do my lips. Just did my hair, just kind of curled it and put it to the side. Not the best, but we're just gonna work with it. Now I'm gonna go in with my lips. So I'm just gonna put some chapstick. I'm gonna go in with Kylie Jenner's lipstick, Candy K, and I'm gonna go with the liner first and then use her liquid lipstick. We all know Kylie has really good lips, so I'm gonna try to line them pretty good. Now I'm gonna go in with her lipstick. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of the pink color, this one right here. I'm gonna add this on the bottom just to kind of brighten up the pink. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. You guys enjoyed this video. Give this a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. Please leave a comment down below on what you want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video.